Baby, this vintage. You can't get this in the store. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Marie Cashmere, and today I'm getting into a new series. I've been talking about this for a while, but I want to show you guys some of my absolute most favorite thrifted pieces. And I feel like this is really important as we go into 2025 because I'm really honing in my wardrobe, getting rid of the excess and really bringing in pieces that are going to last a long time versus leaning more into fast fashion. So we'll talk a little bit more about that and what some of the pieces and materials are that I have been sourcing and how I am sourcing them. Some of the most complimented pieces that I have in my wardrobe, believe it or not, have been thrifted, have been sourced, and are not in stores currently. And me as an individual, I personally like to know that nobody else is gonna have on what I have on because baby, this vintage. You can't get this in the store, okay? So without further ado, if you are into thrifted pieces and sustainable fashion and want to know how you can find pieces like this, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 outerwear pieces, and I felt like this is a really good place to start because I am a coat girly. Like if you know me, 9 times out of 10, gonna have a really basic outfit or base layer. That is kind of my go-to. My outfits are typically built with my accessories and how I style them. So the first piece that we're going to get into is this wool cardigan, and I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the material. And the thing that I love the most about this piece is not only is it 100% wool, it has a little bit of multicolor in it, so we like that. But I love that it has this attached scarf, and it's really hard to find pieces like this today. And if you do find it, 9 times out of 10, they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg. So yeah, this piece is about 42% wool. And like I said, it's really hard to find pieces like this. And if you do, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be expensive. So that's when I like to thrift pieces like this. I guess again, they're not gonna have this at H&M. Nobody's gonna have this at Target. But I promise you, I get so many compliments on this. And when I look for pieces, I have really found out over the years what works for my body type and also just what I like in a piece. And I typically go for more exaggerated shoulder. So I like that it has this pleating detail here along the side, and it goes all the way around the front and the back. Like that little detail is just chef's kiss. So we love that. I love the exaggerated shoulder and how it comes out a little bit. This doesn't have shoulder pads. I probably will add shoulder pads to this. And then aside from the scarf that is attached, it does zip all the way up. But this is a really good layering piece. If it's fall and it's not quite cold enough for a coat, this with this long sleeve shirt, like I'm warm already, you know? So this is gonna be a really good little option, and it pairs well with pretty much everything. And so this is one of the things I thrifted, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about how I thrifted it. But yeah, so if you were looking for something like this will be a nice little option to add to your wardrobe. And again, because it is vintage, I know I'm gonna have it for years. And yeah, it has been taken really good care of. And so yeah, this is the first piece. Let me know what you think. All right, so another thing that I really was looking for quite a long time is a red wool bomber. And I found one on a website, and it had the matching top and pants. And for whatever reason, I was slacking. They caught me lagging, and I didn't get it, and it sold out, and I was heartbroken. So I decided to go online and see if I could source a vintage one. And thanks to Depop, I did find one. This is the wool bomber that I was able to find. And again, this is gonna be vintage. The brand is LL Bean, which is a well-known household name company. Baby, you know this is gonna last forever, okay? And so let me try this on. The thing I love most about this is that it is like a good varsity red, you know? So we love this. And again, because it is thrifted, because it is vintage, ain't nobody else got this on. And so how I plan to style this is I'm going to add brooches and pins and just a whole bunch of hoopla over here. And that just really will customize it for me because, you know, we just like that little bit of extra. But this piece was so good. Up close, it's a nice deep red. And we love it. It's fitted in the arms. It's just a really good bomber. And it also has detailing, like a little pleated detailing in the back. I just love this piece. If I were to try and find something like this today in store for this material, like I'm thinking maybe like a Banana Republic or something like that, it's gonna be pretty expensive. So to me, this was a great find, but I'm really just trying to encourage you guys to look at sourcing things. And this also comes from knowing your wardrobe and knowing like what holes there may be in your wardrobe and what you want to add to it. Another tip, whenever I'm thrifting or shopping, I always try to think, is there at least 3 ways that I can wear this? And obviously this is gonna be a yes for me. I can wear it how I have it here. I can wear it with a sweatsuit. I can wear it with a workout set. So, you know, there's just a lot that you can do with this, but baby, a vintage red wool bomber, it's not gonna go out of style, okay? I will, again, this is gonna be a piece that I'm gonna have in my closet for years to come. And low key, my husband said that it's ours because he can fit it too. So yeah, we love being able to share, okay? We love sharing the clothes, okay? So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. This is a favorite. I love this coat. Let's get into the next coat. Something else that I've been really into this past season and currently is leather. And again, just really going back to those materials that are going to last. So I don't want to buy any more polyester. I don't want to buy any more acrylic and rayon. I want actual fibers and fabrics, okay? So that is what I have been focusing on sourcing, and I found a lot of good stuff online. So let's just get into how I have been finding these pieces. Most recently, I really have leaned back into Poshmark, but also Depop. If you've never heard of Depop, it's basically another version of Poshmark. However, to me, Depop is a little bit better because the shipping isn't as high and there's not as much of a seller's fee. So prices tend to be a little bit lower on Depop from what I'm seeing versus Poshmark. You guys, if you tried it out or if you've ever shopped on Depop, let me know down in the comments what you think. But that is what I have been finding. So yeah, I was on the hunt for a leather biker jacket. My friend had one really good and I was like, oh my God, I want this coat. And she wouldn't let me have hers, so I had to go source my own. And it was actually really easy to find this coat on Depop. They have there is so much leather and suede and fur over on Depop, baby. You just gotta look for it. You just gotta look for it, okay? This is, and I'm showing you the back first. This is my leather coat that I sourced from Depop. And baby, when I tell you I got this, for this to be a vintage coat, it looks brand new, okay? And I paid less than $100 for sure. Maybe right at $90, $95 for this coat, but for a brand new, genuine leather, baby. She's so good. You see all the detailing. Oh yeah, catch me at the Houston Rodeo, baby, like yeehaw, okay? I just really feel like I'm about to go get on my Harley, okay, and ride into the sunset. It's definitely giving Harley Hottie, okay? But yeah, so this is the coat. Let me get up close. It's so good. Oh my God. I think I shared this in a vlog, like when I first tried it on and like melted. But yeah, still swooning over this coat. And again, because this is vintage materials, baby, I'm gonna have this forever. I'm gonna have it forever, okay? So I look forward to pulling her out every year and styling it, okay? So yeah, this is the back. We obsessed. What are you saying? What are we talking about right now? You love the coat. Let's go. If you want something like this, baby, go to Depop. I saw at least 6 or 7 more of these. Now you just have to find which one looks the best to you and it is in your price range, okay, from a trustworthy seller. And when I mean that, I want to see that they have sold something before and have got some 4 or 5 stars, you know. But yeah, baby, don't stop playing with me. This thrifting thing, oh baby, I done went digital. We done went digital with thrifting, okay? I can't even remember the last time I went into a thrift store. Not saying I ain't never gonna do it, but baby, the way I be scrolling on my couch and finding all this stuff, add to cart, okay? Add to cart. So yeah, we love this, okay? All right, so the next thing I want to get into is something that I really got for throwing on, running out the house with like workout sets, or like if I'm running to the store real quick, Target real quick, pick my child up and drop her off at school. And if I'm running to Pilates, this is typically what I would go for if it's cold and I don't want to be too layered up. This coat is mango, so it's not vintage, but it's a good quality. And that's the other thing that I like about digital thrifting or thrifting online is I can search specific brands and styles. If I know the name of something that I'm looking for, maybe we can find it online, okay? I've done that with like Target collection stuff, which I'll show y'all because it's gonna be a whole series. But baby, when I tell you some of the pieces that I have found, and like people are selling it at decent prices, why not thrift it online? You know what I'm saying? So this coat, and I'm gonna back up so you can see how long it is. Okay, you see, I'm 5'4", okay? So this coat is so good. It's like a milk chocolate puffer, but it's not too thick. I love wearing her to Pilates. And like I said, just running to the store if you ain't trying to do too much. And it ain't often and I ain't trying to do too much. So even when I ain't trying, I'm still doing a little something. But get into the coat, okay? You see how it just like completes this little outfit? Baby, I got on a bodysuit and denim. But this coat just makes it look like I tried a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So you can see how long it is on me. And again, I love putting this on with just, you know, like a nice casual outfit. But yeah, so this was such a good find. It was less than $100. And I know if I would have got this brand new from Mango, quite a bit more expensive. So happy that I was able to find this online because I just needed like, I didn't want like a thick puffer. Like I don't live in New York, but baby, like if it's cold outside, I'm gonna be cold. This does it for me. So we love her. She does everything I want her to do, and it is belted. Shipping with Depop has been pretty easy. I don't think I've had that many issues since, and I just discovered Depop like maybe October, November of 2024. So yeah, we love this. And again, we love it even more because I get to shop, so I like scratching that itch, but also I'm not paying full price for these items, which is my favorite thing. That's why I fell in love with thrifting. It's like the thrill of the hunt, you know, to be looking for like I want a good pair of denim shorts that are, you know, like anything like those classic styles. You can find it thrifting online, but you can also find something that's a little bit more modern, like this puffer. But I've also seen vintage puffers like this as well. I actually have a quilted jacket that I got, and the brand I'm not familiar with, so I don't know if it's vintage or not, but it's literally, let me just show you, hold on. I was gonna save this for a different video, but since we're talking about quilted jackets, this is another one that I've just recently got, and she doesn't look thick, but she got some weight to her. This is the brand Bernie. I've never heard of that, so I don't know if it's vintage or like some little boutique, I don't know, but girl, I got it for less than $40, so hey Bernie girl. But this is it. It has deep pockets. It's not belted or anything, but it's long. And I love that because I just feel like if it's cold enough for me to put a coat on, baby, I want a full coat. I don't want my booty to be cold either. So I love how this looks also with just the bodysuit and the denim. So we love a little quilted moment, okay? We love quilt Tisha, okay? So yeah, this is one of my more recent finds. I'm actually gonna wear this to the store today, but yeah. So just pieces like this. The girl was selling it. She was like, "Please, somebody take it." I may have gotten it. And then that's the other thing when you're thrifting online, girl. I can haggle a little bit. Let's negotiate. Okay, what's the lowest you willing to go? Let's go back and forth. Let me offer you this price and see if you take it. You know. So yeah, we love that. But yeah, this is my other quilted coat that I am loving. Let's get to the last coat. All right, and so one of my probably most favorite thrifted pieces of last year, and that's saying a lot for me, is this suede jacket. It has fringe detailing on the back, and I'll get close so you can see, but it's in such good condition. Okay, the fringe on the front. Like sometimes there's pieces, like you see pieces and you just like add to cart, yes. I don't know, we ain't gonna negotiate. Just take my money. Take my money right now, okay? So this is it for me. I love this jacket. I get so many compliments on it. It is it's definitely vintage and it's 100% leather, which we love. So again, I'm going to have this jacket forever. Like Ty will wear this jacket. My child will get to wear this coat one day, you know? And I just love that for her and me. So yeah, let me try her on. The way this coat fits me, like it was custom made for me, sweetie. Like, get into it. Get into it. And I know I've shown this before, but do you see this, the detailing? Like, you can't get this in the store, okay? You cannot get this in the store. Baby, like, what? Like, it's just that little bit of extra. And because it has like a balloon sleeve up here and then it's more tapered, I can wear a sweater under this and be layered and still get to throw on this little crop jacket. Girl, be so for real. Be so for real. Why you ain't thrifting online? Why you ain't thrifting, period? Like, I feel like this is a piece that I would find when I thrift out of state. But that is what I loved about digitally thrifting, about digital thrifting, if that's what we're gonna call it, because that mango coat came from California, baby. Like this, I can't remember where this came from. Ohio, I don't know. I can't remember where it came from. But baby, it's just like I stepped off the plane and went thrifting somewhere else, okay? Right from my couch, right from my couch. So we love this. We love this for me. And sis, I love it for you too, okay? So this is going to be a new series. I will be sharing all of my thrift finds, how I plan on styling it. Y'all will see it in the vlogs. You'll see it on social media and everything. But the story behind the jackets and like how I find it, like I love when I'm out somewhere and someone's like, oh my God, I love your jacket. And I can be like, girl, I thrifted it. I thrifted it on Depop. And they're like, what? I'm like, yeah, girl. So that is that. And also I'm going to share the link to my own Depop store down below. I have started going through, I've done a huge closet clean out. And so I am sharing and selling some pieces on my Depop that either I just can't fit no more or just I'm not wearing. If I haven't worn it in the last year and a half and it's not a special piece or I haven't been reaching for it, I'm trying to get rid of it, okay? We want to be self-aware in 2025, okay? I don't need everything. So maybe somebody else can use it. So yeah, if you would like more information about that, hit me up, DM me. That is going to be it for our first thrift haul video. And like I said, this is going to be a new series here on my channel. Baby, we can do this every week. What y'all think? This little quick, oh yeah, I'm here every week, every week, because I got plenty to show y'all, okay? So that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next video, but until then, check out my Depop link. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment and let me know if you have tried Depop, or if you are one of those people who like to actually go in store, let me know. Until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.